This Long and Foster real estate property video is presented by Debbie Beitzel. Beautiful lake and mountain views from this 3-bedroom chalet. Move-in ready, sold, furnished. Walking distance to the tennis basketball courts, 2 fenced-in dog parks, boathouse, boat ramp and tot lots playground. Open concept floor plan, cathedral pine ceilings, hardwood floors. Tons of natural light throughout. Large wraparound deck to entertain and take in the beauty of the lake views. Spacious master en suite upper level. With views of Alpine Lake, attached master bath. 2 large bedrooms on main level for guests and family. The lower level includes a family room, game room and 3rd full bath, patio off of the game room. Attached large 1-car garage with storage. Spacious paved driveway. Wonderful.